In this video, I will show you how to get the total days in a given month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the total days in the month for these dates. For example, since the first date is of January 2024, it should return 31 days. The last date is of February 2024, which is a leap year, so it should return 29 days. I am going to use the EOMONTH function along with the day function to get the days of the month. The EOMONTH function returns the last day of the month for the specified date. This function takes two arguments, a valid date and a number of months. A positive value of the second number of months argument gives us a future date and a negative value gives us the past date. For example, this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the current month. This EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the next month, and this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the previous month. The day function returns the day of the specified date. It accepts only one argument, which is the date of the day we are trying to find. I am going to get the last day of the month using the EOMONTH function and then extracts only the day from the date using the day function. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type day followed by an opening bracket. Type EOMONTH and then an opening bracket again. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Since we are going to get the last day of the current month, I am going to type 0 as the second argument. Type the closing bracket of the EOMONTH function followed by the closing bracket of the day function. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the total number of days for the first date, which is of January 2024. Let's drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the total number of days for all the months. It is important that we format the cells of the days column as numbers. If the cells are formatted as dates, it will not display the correct data, as you can see from this example. To format the cells as numbers, select all the cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard. It will open up the Format Cells dialog box. Select the number option from the left side. Since days are integer numbers, edit the decimal places text box to make it 0 if it contains a positive value. Check the preview area to make sure that the number is displayed correctly. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the total days of the month displayed correctly. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.